Hey there, future web creators. Have you ever wondered how those stunning websites and online experiences come to life? Well, the secret ingredient is HTML, and today we're going to unlock its power together. Think of HTML like the blueprint of a house. It tells the browser, your construction crew, where to put the walls, windows, and all the cool features that make your website unique. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to get started. HTML is surprisingly simple to learn, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this HTML crash course, you'll have the foundation to build your very own web pages, from personal blogs to online portfolios. And who knows, you might even discover a passion for coding and web development. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Hit that play button, save the playlist of this course for the next episodes, and let's dive into the wonderful world of HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext refers to the ability to link documents together, creating a web of interconnected information. And the markup aspect signifies the use of tags to annotate and structure content. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. It provides a universal way for browsers to interpret and render content consistently across different platforms. Virtually every website you visit is built using HTML as its foundation. HTML describes the structure of a web page. This structure includes headings, paragraphs, lists, images, and other content elements. A well-structured HTML document improves accessibility and makes it easier for search engines to understand. HTML consists of a series of elements. These elements are the building blocks of a web page, defining its various parts. Common examples of HTML elements include headings, paragraphs, and links. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. Browsers use these instructions to render text, images, and other media in a visually appealing way. While HTML focuses on structure, CSS, cascading style sheets, is used to control the presentation and layout of elements. HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, etc. This labeling, achieved through the use of tags, provides semantic meaning to the content. Screen readers and other assistive technologies rely on this semantic information to help users navigate and understand web pages. In the next example, I will show you a simple HTML document. In the left part, you are able to see the HTML code, and in the right, the output. The doc type HTML declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. It is essential to include this declaration at the beginning of every HTML5 document for proper rendering. Older versions of HTML required more complex doc type declarations, but HTML5 simplifies it to this single line. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. All other elements in the HTML document must be nested within the HTML element. The HTML element often includes attributes like lang to specify the language of the page content. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page. This meta information is not displayed on the page itself but is used by browsers and search engines. Common elements within the head include the title, meta tags for character set and description, and links to external style sheets or scripts. The title element specifies a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. The title is crucial for SEO, search engine optimization, as it helps search engines understand the page's content. A clear and concise title also improves user experience by providing a preview of the page's content. The body element defines the document's body and is a container for all the visible contents, such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. Only one body element is allowed per HTML document. The content within the body is what users see and interact with when they visit the web page. The H1 element defines a large heading. Headings range from H1, most important, to H6, least important, and provide a hierarchical structure to the content. Search engines use headings to understand the main topics and subtopics of a page, aiding in indexing and ranking. The P element defines a paragraph. Paragraphs are the fundamental building blocks for presenting textual content on a web page. Proper use of paragraphs enhances readability and makes the content more visually appealing. The HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. The purpose of a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, is to read HTML documents and display them correctly. A browser does not display the HTML tags, but uses them to determine how to display the document. Below is a visualization of an HTML page structure. Note, the content inside the body section will be displayed in a browser. The content inside the title element will be shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. Since the World Wide Web's inception in the early 1990s, HTML has undergone continuous evolution. Several versions, each with its own set of improvements and features, have been released over the years. However, the latest and most advanced version is HTML5. This tutorial will adhere to the HTML5 standard, ensuring you learn the most up-to-date and widely supported practices for creating web pages. And that wraps up our introductory dive into the world of HTML. I hope you enjoyed this first episode of the HTML crash course. Remember, practice is key when it comes to learning HTML. In the next episode, we'll delve deeper into HTML editors, exploring different ways on how to create and modify web pages. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting HTML tutorials and web development content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until then, keep coding, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.